So let's connect our custom domain to our Heroku app. So this is the URL for our Heroku application, which is this one right here, sqatest@herokuapp.com. And right now we want our custom domain, which is this one, when somebody type this domain name, to show up instead of our Heroku application. How can we do that? Since our application is for QA, we are going to create a subdomain right now. We are going to create qa.thechensky.com. And right now, if we try to load it, it's empty, right? And nothing happens. So let's get our custom domain. Let's copy that. And let's go to our Heroku application. And we're gonna press that add domain button. So let's do that. And we're just going to paste our custom domain right here. So we're gonna remove the HTTP prefix and we're gonna remove that slash at the end, and we're going to save those changes. So our domain was successfully added to our Heroku app. Let's do the same thing, but this time we're gonna add the www prefix before our custom domain. And we can just save the changes right now. And the last thing we want to do is to do that for the third time, and this time we're just gonna add a star symbol in front of our custom domain, and the star is just a wildcard. It means that if the user types anything before our custom domain, as long as the last part is correct, the browser is still gonna take us to our website. So let's save the changes. And right now, the only thing we have to do is to add that thing to our Gandhi application. So let's log into our Gandhi so we can manage that. So we just have to log in with our valid credentials, our username and our password. And here is our dashboard. So right now we have to manage our domains. So on the left side, we can just click on the domain option. And right now you can see we just have one domain, thechensky.com, and we want to manage that. So let's click on it. And here we can do all the configuration. We can manage our email boxes, our web forwarding. And right now we have to click on our DNS record. And how we can add our DNS record? Just go on the add button, select. We have to select a DNS target from Heroku, right? So we're gonna start with our wildcards. Let's copy that DNS target from Heroku, and we are going to paste that as a CNAME. So from the type, we're gonna choose a CNAME, and we're just gonna type star here, and for the host name we're just gonna paste that URL, and you can leave that TTL option with the default values, and don't forget to put dot at the end. You have to put dot at the end because otherwise your connection is not gonna work. And we have successfully created the CNAME. So let's do the same thing with our www prefix. We're gonna create a CNAME. We're gonna go back to our Heroku app. We're gonna copy that DNS target from Heroku, and we're gonna paste it right about here. And we're gonna just put the dot at the end, and for the name, just put www. And we're gonna press create. So another domain record was successfully created. Let's go to a Heroku app. Right now nothing happens because we didn't add our last link, which was at qa@thechensky.com. But If we type www in front of our domain name, we can see that our application is working because we already created that. And if we type anything, doesn't matter what it is, and since the last part is correct, we still have our application loading correctly, right? So let's remove our first part and let's check. Let's just make sure that the application is not loading right now. Okay, it says nothing there. And let's add our last part. Let's connect our last DNS target to a Heroku app. So just copy that DNS target, and we're just gonna create another CNAME. So for the type, just put CNAME. For host name, we're just gonna paste that string with dot at the end, and for the name again, just put www. And we have successful message. So let's refresh the page to make sure. And yes, our application is up and running. We can check if our routing is working. So let's load another page. And yes, see, we have our subdomain, and just the last part is changing while we're changing the page. So routing is working very good.